Alright, how's everyone doing today? Today I'm going to show you a beginner to intermediate effect. This is Larry Jennings' effect called Impossible, and if you don't know it, this is really good, and you don't have to use this like to spell impossible. You can do it with any word, so you can use someone's name. So I want you, what your assignment is I want you to get creative with it, and I want you to do this different. Just like in all of your magic, always be creativity is one of the best things, and the way you can do that is by practicing being creative. So I'm going to just teach this. This is the setup, okay? What you want to do is you want to use a breather crimp, okay? Breather crimp is you're going to hold the card between these fingers here, if you don't know it, and your thumbs are going to make an X crimp, and that's the breather crimp, and it's completely invisible. And what that does is it allows you to cut to that at any time. We're going to take 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay. So we're going to, that's THATS. So what we're going to do is we're going to change this around, okay? It's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. You can have whatever you're going to spell, that amount of cards, and you have the breather crimp on the bottom. In this case, the 8 of hearts is breather crimped. Then you're going to have these 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, however many cards you're going to have to spell on bottom of that, okay? So you're going to start off, you're going to have a card freely selected, okay? There's no force here. Let's say for this example that they selected the Ace of Hearts, okay? You're then going to cut the deck, or have them cut the deck into 3 piles, okay? Have them put their card back on the middle pile, then have them take the card, the one to the left, this has the breather crimp on it, that goes on top, and this one. Now you're going to let them cut the deck all they want. They can cut the deck, complete the cut, they can have someone else cut the deck. It's very fair, okay? And what you're going to do is you're going to cut right to the breather, okay? So your breather is the 8 of hearts, so it's very easy to find. You can even find it with a one-handed cut. And then what you're going to do is you're going to show their card not on top or bottom. You're going to hand the deck to them, and you're going to have them spell out the words. So for this, you're going to tell them to spell, that's magic. So 1 card for each letter. So it's THATS, magic, MAGIC. Now we go right to the card at the end of the letter, which would be like that. So you can do that however you want. It's a very simple self-working trick, and that's from Larry Jennings. So enjoy that. Thank you.